Hi students, ninth B1, how are you all? This week you are going to learn the geography lesson, the lesson number 2, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, before that we should know how the earth is divided. Okay, the earth is divided into 4 hemispheres. The regions north and the south of the equator are called northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Here can you see the picture? Yes, this is the middle line we call equator. Okay, the horizontal line we call equator, or one more line parallel, one more name parallel. We call this parallel or equator. Okay, this up part, the north part we call northern hemisphere, the down part we call southern hemisphere. This is north, this is south, north pole, south pole. Okay, the middle we call equator. Okay, this part we call northern hemisphere, this fully part we call southern hemisphere. The same thing with the western and eastern. Okay, the region east and west of the prime meridian longitudes is called eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Can you see this? This is the horizontal line 0 degree to down. Yes, this vertical line we call prime meridian. Can you read this? Prime meridian. Yes, this is the one, prime meridian. It's divided the earth into 2 hemispheres, that is western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Okay, so this earth is divided into 4: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Yes, of course, the direction north, south, east, west. This is the cardinal direction. Yes, so the prime meridian we call this prime. Prime means important, chief one, first one, prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian, one more name is longitude. Equator, the other name is parallels of equator, parallels of latitude. Okay, so we say this is the latitude, this is the longitude. They have seen only one, the main one we are looking now. This is the main one, equator. This is the main one, prime meridian. So we call this top to down, north pole to south pole, that one we call meridians or longitudes. We call this horizontal line equator or parallels. We call this latitudes or parallels. Okay, now you know the names. Which are the longitudes we call? North pole to south pole. The lines comes from north pole to south pole, we call that longitudes. The line horizontal we call that parallels or latitudes. Okay, this is the direction. Okay, we know north, south, west, east. The intermediate directions you know: northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. Can you see inside that one more division are there? Yes, south, southeast, south, southwest, east, northeast, north, northeast, north, northwest, west, northwest, west, southwest. Can you see? Yes, these are the degrees. It's 0 to 180, then 180 to 360. This all resembles the meridians. Okay, now we are going to learn the just a figure of this earth grid system, a network of latitudes and longitudes to find the location on the globe. Imagine this is the globe. Imagine this all the imaginary line. There is no line like on the earth. Okay, just a imaginary line only. This all longitudes and latitudes. I told you know, north pole to south pole we call that meridian. See the dotted line. Can you see the dotted line? Yes, that is we call prime meridian. From there it started the next lines. Can you see the next lines? Yes, it has degrees. Okay, 0 to 180 degree it comes. Okay, from this side now, can you see the middle line? equator. Yes, this all we call latitudes. Okay, this is one latitude, this is next latitude, this is next one, this is next one, this is next one, but the line measurement is reducing. Can you see the big circle? Imagine that you are looking at the only one dimension picture. Imagine this is a globe. Okay, so from the globe, from around, from here to goes and back side and again comes. So this is the biggest circle, biggest equator. Equator is the latitude is the biggest one. Okay, can you go up north side? See, the north pole became very small. Same thing with south side, south pole. The last parallel is small, parallel to this, parallel to this. Now we learn the main latitudes with the figure name. Just for the earth grid system I am showing this. All latitudes, this all latitudes, all longitudes from up to down, all put together on the globe to locate the place. Okay, the definition: a complete network of the parallels of the latitudes and meridians of the longitudes drawn on the map. See, I told you parallel, the other meaning latitude. Meridians, the other of longitude means this lines. This is the parallels we call latitudes, and this is the meridians we call longitudes. Parallels of the latitudes and the meridians of the longitudes drawn on the map or a globe is called Earth's grid. It enables us to determine the location of the any point of the earth. For example, Gandhinagar in Gujarat, India is located on this picture. Can you see Gandhinagar? Yes, here. Okay, see, these lines are meeting, so we can find this here. So like this grid help us to find the places in the whole world. Now you can see the globe. Particularly when we see this with map, we will come to know where is the place located. So what is earth grid system? The parallels of network of the parallels of the latitudes and the meridians of the longitudes drawn on the map or globe is called earth grid. Why it's useful? It's useful to locate the place. Okay, you understand? Yes.